Okay, I've just started this video halfway through the process, partly because it just takes a long time. So what I'm doing here is I am using this is a presentation about data table, the R package for data manipulation, and essentially what I'm trying to do here is a data import operation. So what I have here is a CSV file called chi crimes or chi crimes, and it's in my local directory, so it's in my working directory. And what I want to do is read it into R. Now you can sort of see the way it's just counting down. Now it's slowed down a bit since I switched on the recording software, but before I switch on the recording software, it actually was working very quickly. So it's still working pretty fast actually, but it's slowed down a bit just because it's taking the computer is taking a lot on. So what I am doing here is trying to upload a data set with 6 million rows. That is correct. You are seeing that correctly. 6,450,000 939 rows. Okay, and it's a big job. Okay, and we're 99.8. There we go. We've just finished there. It took me about 3 minutes to load that up. So it's 4.14 gigabytes. Okay, it probably would have been quicker actually if I wasn't using the software, but never mind. And so, yeah. So this is let's have a quick look at it here. So first off, I mean, you can tell the dimensions there straight away. So chai crimes, something like that. There we go. It is. I'll tell you what. I'll just do that again. Just have three. So okay. So it is case ID, an ID number, case date, block IUCR. I don't know what that means. Primary type, narcotics, theft, so on and so forth. Okay, arrest, true or false, and so on. So these are all the data elements. Okay, what we have there is longitude and latitude. Okay, so that might be interesting later on to do some sort of geospatial analysis on it. Something that is actually quite interesting, and it's not something I'm going to do with this video. I mean, the primary thing I wanted to do with this video is actually show that I could upload a very, very large data set and have a quick look at it in R. Okay, so it's 4.1, sorry, 1.48, well, 1.4 gigabytes. Okay, it's a really large data set. Okay, so where did I get this data set? I got it on the... Oh, I don't have that link there, but I was going to sort of put on the link there on both on YouTube, on the website. Essentially, what it did is it's the city of Chicago, their data portal. Okay, and just download it. So just up in the top corner, there's a button that you can press and it says download as a CSV file, and that's what I did. And I just moved it in there. I shortened the name. It had a much longer name. I just gave it a very short name, and that's all I had to do. So now I have it in R. Okay, and I'm ready to do some analysis now. So for example, I'm not going to do too much on this one because really the key thing I wanted to get across was just that I can do things like this. Okay, so that I can sort of upload that's probably in the wrong type of command. Actually, that's probably what I shouldn't have done, because summary is really, really awkward. There we go. But anyway, essentially run sort of very simple operations there, and just to sort of make little reports and stuff like that, or process the data. So that's it really. fread, fast read, got a large data set in, and I'm able to do really large, like 6.5 million rows almost. That's huge, like. Okay, all right, so we'll leave it there.